Blog. Back in the day, a blog was called a weblog. The purpose of a weblog was to allow people to journal on a daily basis and publish it online, so that anybody interested in their daily life or whatever particular topic they were writing about could read it. These weblogs have not only evolved in name, referred to as blog nowadays, but also in purpose. For many business owners, blogging has allowed them to grow their audience, spread their message, and remain relevant. If you're a business owner and have a website but don't blog, you may be missing out on a really great opportunity to increase your sales. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. In this video, I'll be reviewing 4 ways that starting a blog in 2019 can help you grow your business. Today, I'm sharing with you 4 ways that starting a blog in 2019 can help you grow your business. So let's jump right in. Number 1, a blog allows you to remain relevant and stay in front of your potential customers without constantly saying, buy my product or service. Okay, so do me a favor and take a look at your Instagram or Facebook page and tell me, are most of your posts centered around, buy this product, I'm running this sale today, place your order now? If they are, then you need to spend a little more time crafting your post. Remember that the purpose of social media is to be social, which means you want your post to entice and encourage people to interact with your business. This is where a blog can help. Adding a blog to your website will give you something to share outside of the generic buy my product or service message. And I know what you're thinking, okay Vivian, what the heck would I even blog about then if it's not to ask people to buy my stuff? Well, since you asked, you could blog about your team or staff, do an employee spotlight, and include a picture or 2. You could blog about how to properly use your product to get the most out of it. Or you can do like Framed Florals and Brooklyn does. And she actually blogged about her process when somebody hires her. You see, Framed Florals preserves flowers and frames them so that people can keep them for the rest of their lives. For example, brides often hire her to press their bridal bouquet and frame it so that they can display it in their homes. Because this is such a unique concept, she wanted to walk people through the process of working with her. She wrote a blog about the process, which not only showed potential customers how easy the process was, but also promoted her product without saying, hire me. If you want to check out the rest of her blogs, which are really well done, check out her website at framedflorals.com and click on journal. Also, if you need a little inspiration, I created something just for you. It's a free download called 15 Blog Post Ideas for Your Business, and the link to the free download can be found in the description below, or you can find it on my website at theseasonedmarketer.com. Number 2, a blog can turn you into a reliable source of information in your industry. You know what's even better than making a sale? Converting a customer into a fan and making many sales to that one customer. And one of the best ways to do this is to become a consistent, reliable source of information for your customers. You can blog weekly, bi-weekly, as long as you're able to share your knowledge and understanding of your industry. It can help promote your business as a solid source of information for people both inside and outside your industry. Number 3, a blog will help with your SEO, search engine optimization, which will in turn boost your visibility on Google and other search engines. This is so important because when used effectively and consistently, a blog can draw potential customers in, get them familiar with your business, and then turn that into a sale when they are needing your product or service. Typically, when you're building a website, you focus on using keywords throughout your website to help with your Google rankings. The closer to the top of the listing that your website appears, the better. Blogs allow you to embed and use more keywords in your website, and because Google's algorithm is not just based on keywords but also relevancy and information and engagement, if you create a blog where people are commenting and providing feedback, that helps to boost your rankings in Google. Number 4, blogging can help you leverage partnerships. Because blogging allows you to be creative and write about topics that aren't directly related to your day-to-day operations, you can use it to help you gain the attention of other people's audience. One way to do this is to feature a guest. Not only will you be able to promote that blog with your audience, but the guest will also want to promote the blog with their own audience, which essentially gives you free PR. One example of how to do this effectively can be seen through Charleston Moms Blog, an organization in Charleston that connects local moms with events, organizations, and information. They will feature a guest on their blog, usually allowing them to write about a topic that they know will be of interest to moms, like how to organize their children's toys or a guide to eating out in Charleston while expecting. These partnerships then allow the guest to share the blog with their followers and ultimately allows Charleston's Moms Blog to spread their message even further. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Simply hit the subscribe button. And if you are looking for more marketing tips, tools, or tactics, visit my website at theseasonedmarketer.com. Now I want to turn it over to you. Do you think blogging would help your business grow? If so, which of the 4 ways that I mentioned in this video do you find most intriguing? Let me know by leaving it in the comments below. And also don't forget to download my free PDF, 15 blog post ideas for your business. You can find the link in the description below or by visiting my website.